COVID lockdown lifted across all parts of Queensland, but Premier urges caution over community transmission fears. Lockdown has been lifted across all of Queensland, but with 5 more cases of community transmission and a huge list of exposure sites around the southeast. Premier federal government defines cut to overseas arrival due to COVID concerns as states bicker about decisions. National Cabinet decide to cut the international arrivals cap by 50%. Australians trying to get home from overseas have criticized the move. The health minister says the decision was made because of the Delta variant of COVID-19. WA Premier Mark M.C. Gowan seeks to clarify rules as Perth and Peel emerge from lockdown. The WA Premier says fitness class rules changed with health device. Visitors from Perth in regional areas are subject to interim restrictions. The state's business lobby expects the lockdown will lose $245 million. Lockdown has lifted in Brisbane and Moreton Bay, but COVID restrictions will still apply. If you are sick, get tested, wear your mask, use the Check in Queensland app. Masking up a lot has been said about masks already. Brisbane and Moreton Bay lockdown to end tonight despite 5 cases of community transmission record in Queensland. Lockdown will end at 6 p.m. in Brisbane and Moreton Bay after 5 new community transmission cases of COVID-19. The record in Queensland Premier Anastasia China Wang He calls for Great Wall of Community against COVID-19 as South Africa approves Chinese vaccine. Mr. Wang said the global community need to face challenges together. He said China is working to improve the affordability of vaccines for developing nations. South Africa approved China's Sinovac vaccine as the country faces a third. New Zealand's All Blacks scored 16 tries in 102-0. Thumping of Thunder strand Tonga is Auckland Test. The All Blacks scored 16 tries against Tonga. Tonga was missing several players because of travel restrictions to COVID-19. The win equaled the All Blacks' biggest win over Tonga. At least 19 missing in Japan after mudslide west of Tokyo. At least 90 people remain unaccounted for after a massive black mudslide in the city of Atami. Most of Japan is currently in its rainy season, which often causes floods and landslides. Shinkansen bullet trains between Tokyo and Osaka were temporarily stopped due to the heavy rain. Is judged to question top politicians and security officials over Beirut blast. Outgoing Prime Minister Hassan Diab has been summoned from the questioning over the blast. Judge Craig Bitar has asked for permissions to questions to prominent security chief. Judge Bitar requested Parliament to lift immunity for government. Indonesian police blocked street on first day on together COVID-19 curbs. Indonesia has seen record new coronavirus infections on 8 of the past 12 days. Thousands of military and police officers will enforce together restrictions and enforce curfews. The Delta strain has pushed Indonesia's healthcare system to the brink.